Welcome back, students. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is list. While preparing the syllabus, these two chapter, that is list and dictionary, I have not included, but these two chapters are very important as well. So we will start list chapter today. Now, first of all, we'll discuss what list is and how we can create list, how we can access this. So and this time I have tried to explain you in a very new way so that you can enjoy your online learning. Now I'm going to share my screen and the chapters. So let's try to cope up with me. Now, what is list? Okay. Now see, a list is a collection of values or an ordered sequence of values or item. The item in a list can be of any types. It may be integer, in a string or float. So this example we will see later. Now the very important point regarding list is that element of a list are enclosed in square brackets. You can see this is written in a bold letter and square bracket. The image of square bracket is also given, and all the elements, or you can say items, are separated by commas. Okay, so like a string, list also is a sequence data type. Sequenced means everything is arranged in a sequence, the indexing, the other things that we'll discuss later. Now we'll see declaring or creating list. The syntax is that list name, any list name you can give, you can we user can choose any list name by our own, is equals to, then square bracket open and close. Since here no elements yet is there, we can call it as empty list. You can see there is only opening and closing square bracket, but here in fruits the name of the list is fruits, and the square bracket, inside the square bracket you can see mango, apple and grapes. So this is a list named fruits, and it contains three elements, and three elements or three items uh, in a list fruit. Okay, now we will see what types of list may be. List 1 is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is a list of integers. List 2 is nothing but the list of elements of different data types. Why different data types? You can see this B, it is a string. Okay, then for 50 it is integer, then here is a floating point means decimal, then Python is a string, then negative number. So it is a combination of various data types. Next, list 3 is a combination of not combination, it's a list of characters. And students, always remember that any character or strings, characters means single character and string means any word we can call as string. So character or string is always written in quotation. Character in a single quotation and string in double quotation. Better to write in double quotation. Now list 4, you can see that is a just a bracket open and close, no elements is there, that is why we can call it as empty list. List 5, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, so three strings list. And list 6, you can see, try to see that 3 comma 4, after that one more small list is there inside a list, so we can call it as a nested leaf, we can list we can say. Okay, means anything inside any list inside a list, we can call it as nested list, like we have done nested if, or in case of looping, if you remember. Okay, now student, next we will see that creating list, how we can create list. Creating list means syntax is L is equals to list, then any sequence or any word you can write in a quotes. Then you can see in the example L1 is equals to list hello. So it has been converted into a list. See, inside a square bracket separated by comma, since it is a string, so all the characters are enclosed in single quotes. Okay, this is all about how we can create list by existing sequence, or by existing list, you can say. Okay, next, this eval is not so required. Now accessing list, accessing list is nothing but how we can access the element or item from the list. For this student, it is very necessary to know indexing. Okay, now we will see what is indexing. Indexing means to provide, like indexing means numbering we provide, no? So here also indexing is nothing but just see to put in numbers, see numbering zero, but the indexing starts from zero in case of list, or in later on in other thing also, but you can see 0 1 2 3 4, it is called forward indexing. And backward means -1 -2 -3, so backward indexing starts from -1 and forward indexing starts from 0. Okay, we can say it as positive indexing and negative indexing also. Now you can see student here in 0 means this is the syntax, list 1 is the name of the list, then in the square bracket this 0, it indicates the 0 means the, this is the index number. Okay, so in 0 index number we have a. In case of negative, list 1 -5, in -5 we have a. So this is all about indexing, means to access element, or later on for slicing also, this indexing is very much important. If I want to explain you with this, you can see here, suppose here like school. Okay, school, school. So you by again, how we can indexing here means 0, here it is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it is 5. After that here it is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, sorry, -5, and it is -6. This is, you can say, positive or backward forward indexing. This is negative or backward indexing. Now here, if I suppose this, the name of the list is L, so L I am writing here in the bracket 4. This indicate, this 4 means nothing but 4 is the index number. So in 4 what is there? O. So it will give O as output. Suppose here L, then I am writing -5. Then what answer it will give? It will just give -5. So C is there, so it will give C. This is all about indexing the list, how we can index the list. Clear? So next we will see the few more functions. Now see len, indexing and slicing, membership operator, concatenation and replication operators. Now see what happened. Len means total number of element or item in the total number of element or item in the list. 1 2 count, total count, not based on index. Total means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 6 elements are there, so len means length is equals to always 6. It will return the total count. Okay, after that membership operators means in and not in. Suppose it may ask whether 0 not 0 O in school, then it will return true if the answer is correct. And for not in means if whether I in school, then it will return false because I is not there in school. So that is why it will return false. All right. So next we will see that concatenation. Concatenation means suppose one more list is there, this one, and here it is my is there. Okay, in that school, in this list my is there. Then if I will write like concatenation means plus L1 plus L2, so L1 school is there, so writing like in this way we will write SCH, okay, O O L, okay, then it will merge, then this M and this Y. This is all about, means this plus means, this plus operator means this list 1 and 2 got merged with each other. Okay, now next concatenation, then we will see replication, L1 into or you can write L2 into 2, means in L2 this one is M, and this Y, this is all about, means this plus operator means this list 1 and 2 got merged with each other. Okay, now next concatenation, then we will see replication, L1 into or you can write L2 into 2, means in L2 this one is M, and this Y, this is all about, means in L2 this plus operator means this list 1 and 2 got merged with each other. Okay, now next comma y, again it will be m comma y. Okay, so L2 in case of this replication operator, or you can say um, replication or multiplication operator, it will just get double up. Since it is 2 2, it will just increase. As you, if it is 3, then it will be 3 times, it will just increase. Okay, it will just multiply, it will not get added. So this is all about membership, replication, concatenation operators. Next we will see here, next we will see that accessing individual elements. Now see, accessing elements means, for accessing also, just now I have shown you that list name, then any index value, it will return the value based on that index. This means accessing elements means I have provided here name of the list, then in the square bracket any number, so then it will give the required items, or not items, are required elements that is in the particular index number. Okay, this is all about accessing. So student, this much today I'll discuss this much. Next day we'll see slicing, traversing and all. Before starting that, you all just go through this, try to understand what the things is, what happened in list. If still you find any kind of problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.